Hi, my name is Chandler and I wanted to give you my honest review on my Graco car seat. This is the SnugRide 35 Lite LX. It is a pretty lightweight car seat. I have it in this purple shade and I also have it in this one because I have twins. But my favorite thing about this car seat is that it has a base that it comes with and you can just click it in and out of the car. I have my base installed in my car right here and I just click it in, and then there's a button on the back right here that allows me to just pull it out. So here is, you just pull it. You can also click it into any Graco systems, like any kind of strollers that they have. Very versatile. To take this carrier handle and move it backwards, there are a button on each side. You have to press them both at the same time and move it backwards. So there's that, and it goes back even further, like that. It has a shade for the baby. This is what the base looks like. I do have the same base, one came with each car seat. We used the anchors to install it, but you can also use the seat belt to install it. There are really good instructions and YouTube videos that you can look up that Graco has provided. This is what the car seat looks like with the infant padding and without. You can see the infant padding with the purple one right there. And this is what both car seats look like in the car. I am driving a Kia Carnival minivan. I highly recommend it. Is a great affordable option.